Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's look at another interview question. Remove all non-numeric characters from a list. So we have a list of string given, and in this list of string, from the string we need to remove all the non-numeric characters. So in the first one we see A should not be there, B should not be there, C should not be there, only 1 2 3 should be returned. Similarly for the other one, A should not be there, B should not be there, C should not be there, 1 2 3, and similarly for this one. Okay, so let's go to this. So we will be using regex for this. Pattern dot compile, and here we give a regular expression should not be a number. So our expression says that the character that we are going to check should not be a number, should not be a numeric. Okay, so list of string is going to be a return type answer, and list dot stream dot map. Now we are gonna take pattern. It has a function called matcher, and it's gonna check for each of the characters in the string, and if the pattern matches, or if we come across this which is non-numeric, right, so that gets replaced. Replace all by empty space, or another way of saying that we are removing it. So it will check all of the characters in the string one by one, and any character which is non-numeric, that is going to be replaced by empty string. There, and we get an answer. So hoping you understood this. Thank you so much for watching this. Let's catch up in the next video.